Wow. Cheap way of having fun.
I nearly fell over then. Hey, MX5 friend. Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to my supercharged MX5.
Yeah, now Drew hasn't let me drive this since you've had it.
Well, you say not let you. It's either been off the road or being supercharged.
Yeah, there is a good reason behind it, but today I get to drive it.
Yes.
So let's go.
She is a UK 1.8 MX5, but the thing that makes it a bit special, we're running an Eaton M65 supercharger, which is actually from a Mercedes CLK. We've got a Walbra 255 fuel pump, Bosch EV14 640cc injectors. We've got a front mount intercooler that's actually from a Mark 1 Ford Focus. Little top tip for you there, for you MX5 guys.
Tight MX5 guys. Sorry.
An IBF reduced pulley, coupled with a ram air intake. That's it under the bonnet. One of the main things I wanted was a good wheel and tyre setup, which has actually only just gone on there. So I've gone for ultralight UL10s, which are 15x8, wrapped in Nankang NS2Rs. So far, very impressed with them. But once again, the main thing with these cars is how they drive. So let's get Kenny in the driver's seat.
Yeah, that's what I was praising myself on it.
The car was dynoed at 197 brake horsepower. If you haven't seen the dyno video, go and check it out. I will link it above. That was actually a really interesting video, so be sure to go view it. We are running Gazpro Gold coilovers.
So that was a mouthful of skills.
Yeah. The whole car is now polybushed, so I'll apologise for the bounciness in advance.
I was just going to say, yeah.
It's got competition engine mounts. It's been basically fully track prepped, so on roads like this it isn't the best. But yeah, hopefully we're going to throw around some B roads and have a bit of fun.
Yep, that's what they're all about. Let's do it. It's very bouncy.
Yeah. First impression. Now that road was terrible in fairness.
Yeah, it's shocking.
And like I said, this car is bouncy. It does need a full sort of track setup.
It will benefit a lot from that, you know. Nice sounds coming from you.
I say the pop, it's great.
Yeah, through the lower twisties, it's great fun.
Yeah.
I can see why people love these cars,
Yeah.
you know. As I said, you can just feel everything once again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
nice.
popping's great, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great fun. Brakes are on point.
Yeah, I was just saying, yeah, test out the brakes if you can. so nice with the rooftop as well.
It is. It really does make part of the experience.
It does,
as well.
yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that was a nice brisk little rip.
Yeah. Like I said, we always seem to find roads that are very uneven. We need to find some smooth roads, but
Yeah. I can feel it hop a little bit now when we come out, just after we come over the bridge.
Like I said, with a really good set, it is going to get a track alignment. Basically, the reason Kenny's driving it now when it's not, I'm not 100% happy with it, but let's just say we've got some big changes coming up, so I wanted Kenny to drive it with the setup it is now.
Yeah.
And let's just say, for those interested, this Supercharger setup will be for sale very soon.
It's all down to personal preference, yeah?
Yeah.
I prefer turbos myself.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It does feel, you know, obviously like you said before, it does make it feel like you've got a bigger engine.
Yeah. Like you said, it is down to preference, and you know, throwing. And even when I took it on track, the instant torque, and if you're going for times, I would say Supercharger may be better because you can constantly be on off. But but a lot of it is down to personal
especially coming out of a
preference.
corner, you know.
Yeah,
it's,
absolutely.
I felt a bit more comfortable just basically as I'm coming out of the bend, just foot to the floor.
Yeah, because you're not thinking, oh my god, the torque's going to come in.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So it does give you a bit more confidence in it.
But it's, do you know one thing? Because you obviously we were saying about the steering and the handling. One thing I've noticed with some of the cars we reviewed, a lot more modern cars, even the better handling ones, it's great. Do you know with this, you've really got to be on the ball. It is very direct.
Yeah.
But you have got to sort of, I mean, you've got, because there's no assistance, it's fighting you. You've got to be on the ball.
Yeah, and I can feel my hands.
Yeah, which is great, but you've got to be focused.
Oh, definitely, yeah. As I said, I can feel I'm obviously squeezing the steering wheel a bit tighter. No, it is just great fun, and like I said, I really see why people do love these cars.
Yeah.
Like you said before, you don't have to chase figures, you know, it's...
No. Like on these roads, I mean, it's a lovely day. We've got the roof down.
Yeah.
It's nice to just have a blast, you know, just to throw around some roads and put a smile on your face.
Exactly, yeah. And that's not a dig, but it's a cheap way of having fun.
Cheap?
Yeah. Oh, okay, it should be a cheap way of having fun.
Not if you go all out, but no, you are right, yeah.
You know what I'm saying, right? You can go out and buy one of these for 1,500 quid.
Yeah.
And just go and have a blast, you know? You
Yeah,
don't need
you
the
can.
mess, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. Like I went a bit OTT with everything. You don't need to do that.
No.
But it is a cheap way to have fun.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
And even though when you're not going flat out, I love that you just got the whole wind in the hair, the sun shining. Oh, it's brilliant.
I miss my S2000 on days
Oh,
like this,
definitely, yeah. Brakes wise, I mean, that's the only thing you haven't had. I think the best thing at the moment with the car. Hey, MX5 friend. That's what I love about the MX5 community. Everyone will give you a wave.
Just give them a bit more of a squeeze. Wow. That front, that's turn in. Oh, it's fantastic.
Yeah. God, those brakes. As
really
a passenger, wow.
Yeah, I really like these brakes.
Yeah.
I put it down to the people who fit them, but...
If you haven't seen that video, I'll link that as well.
That was good fun. Not once did it feel like it was going to lock up, you know? And I was on it quite hard.
Even when I was on track, when I was bedding, it didn't lock up once. So as I said, it's everything coupled. I mean, we've got Rodison track pads, we've got the Hell braided lines, AP Racing fluid.
Yeah.
I am very, very happy with the braking, and I think that's the one thing, yeah. And that's especially when you're on track, that's the one thing you want to give you confidence.
Yeah.
So once the suspension is set up, I think it'll be.
I think it just needs a couple of tweaks.
Yeah. Oh, definitely.
And it'll definitely feel a lot more alive. Like I said, it is a bit skittish.
Yeah.
But it can be sorted, no problem.
Yeah.
You know, it's just a tweak here and there.
Yeah.
Sorry, I love that turn in. Wow, on the brakes. Wow. They're awesome. There's no drama either.
I was just about to say.
They just bite on, and you know, sometimes you hit the brake hard, and you know you get a bit of you feel a car sort of turning.
That's what I was going to say. It's
doesn't.
literally just whoop.
Yeah, they're there.
I think we've done that pretty well.
I do.
Yes, anyway.
Yeah, MX5 sucks. Bye.
the supercharged MX5. I nearly fell over then. The supercharged MX5.
Yeah, I can see why people love them. Say I said to you, the brakes, I really enjoyed.
Yeah, I'm very
tires
impressed with them, yeah.
Spot on. I did order these for mine, but they weren't in stock.
Yeah, for the Evo, yeah.
So now I'm glad I've actually tried them, because I would definitely buy them.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
I don't know if it's the car, because of the lack of power steering as well. It gives you a lot more feedback.
Yeah, it's a good, I mean, they're all around, the brakes, the tires, and the fact that no power, it's all a good package, isn't it?
It really is, yeah. I can see why people love them.
Yeah.
Supercharger is not for me, personally. I'm a turbo guy, right?
yeah.
But the one thing I did like about the Supercharger was when you come out of a bend, you haven't got that, you know, you're waiting for the booster kick in on the turbo.
I would say that's the main benefit.
So yeah, as you're coming out, you can foot to the floor and you can literally,
yeah.
You can feel
and I
everything
think
it's going to do.
cars like I mean, you take it on B roads, and I think that's the ideal thing for B roads, pulling out of corners. You're constantly on and off the throttle.
Yeah,
as
I think
opposed
it
to
should
a
be quicker
turbo.
through a road like this than a
Yes,
turbo.
yeah.
Obviously,
yeah.
it's more responsive and instant torque. So.
And like you said, it's a bit safer if you're not that confident, because you've got the confidence to floor it without thinking, oh my god, the booster's going to kill me.
Exactly, yeah. No,
So,
it is a great package. I love it.
Yeah. As I said, the Supercharger kit will be up for sale very soon. If you are interested, drop me a message. It will be going as a full kit, the standalone ECU, the fuel pump, the injectors and everything like that.
Plug and play.
So yeah, literally plug and play. It was dynoed at 197 brake horsepower. I'll put the dyno sheet up as well. But yeah, what a good day. So I think we'll
especially with the weather and everything, with the roof down.
That's another thing with an MX5, yeah. So yeah.
Love it.
Anyway, yeah, we'll leave it at that for today. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Ah, this car's awesome.
No, it doesn't. It sucks.
Hey.